welcome to All Things China.
I'm Sandy.
And I'm Daniel.
And today we are here to introduce and review a product with 3-axis stabilized gimbal drone. Yeah, have you always wanted to own one, but it's just not within your budget?
Actually, I always wanted, but today you are in luck because we're going to review a stabilized gimbal drone by DJI. Not only it comes with a GPS, it also have a price to beat.
Wow, and I heard it's only USD $299. That's really attractive. We are going to try to review this drone by taking it for a flight.
Yes, and hopefully we can help you decide if this drone is for you.
So first, I'm here to review the physical appearance of this 3-axis gimbal drone. Okay, let's take a look at the drone. At first glance, it looks quite good. It's grey and it's matte. Oh, okay, I can do this.
Please don't crack it.
I hope I won't break it before we review it though. It's really small. It's only like a palm size for me. Yeah, and I have really small hands, and it's ultra light. It's only 249 grams. I heard that if it exceeds 250, you need a license to operate a drone. And I'm going to open this, which I don't really know how to, but it's okay. I can figure it out on my own. Here we go.
Okay.
So this is
Okay, wait, before that, there's a small joystick to remove, these two joysticks.
Oh, there's a joystick.
And then you have
even.
to screw it in here.
Wow.
Okay.
Oh, wow, look, there's a mini joystick. So cool.
I think this is extend. Yes.
There you go. See, this is really a good fit.
I'm gonna press and hold. See.
Ooh, cool! It's flying! Woo!
Pretty stabilized. Okay, I'm gonna do a punch off. Let's see. Make sure you capture it. 3, 2, 1, go! Very stabilized. Come look at my control. So this dial here, not too close, this dial here will control the camera angle, you see, when I go down. See? So you can control the camera angle, it's pretty cool. Right. The altimeter is very good as well. It's controlling the height very well. The GPS is pretty good as well. So I'll just fly through the field and see what happens.
I can't see anymore.
Okay, now I'm going to try something. I'm just going to bring it out. Then I'm going to press this button and say return to home. See, I click. Okay, it's supposed to come back.
Go home.
Okay, try to track. It's coming. Yeah, it's coming back already. It's coming back. So it's stopping and it will land by right, it should land exactly the same spot. Yo, close enough! Just now it took off from here, now it lands here, it's very close. Woohoo! Is it? Your virgin flight. Hey, you take a photo of yourself, top right hand shoulder. You take a photo, right hand shoulder. Right hand shoulder, there's a button. I show you. Here, right? You see here? Do you see there's a photo button? You see? There's a photo. I take a photo of yourself. Press. Press and let go. So I believe these are the 4 modes. Oh, look at this. It means low bat. So we have 5 minutes left.
Let it return home.
Yeah, okay. I think let's let it, huh? Let's let it slow bat now. Okay. Let's see. Let's land.
Hi, so we have come to the end of our assessment of the drone. So we are here to talk about our thoughts and ideas about it. Okay, so question 1.
So tell us what you like about the drone.
Oh, I like that it's really light and that it's really stable. As you can see, when it was in mid-air, it wasn't like flying around, it was stable.
Okay.
Yeah, so it was easy for us to control.
Especially for first timer like yourself, right?
Yeah. So even when I panic, there's a home landing button that I can easily press on for you to come back easily.
It's called return to home.
Return to home button. So that was really useful for someone like me who fumble easily under stress. Yeah. So I also like that it can take very nice aerial shots of us. Yeah.
Okay. And it performs pretty well in the wind condition, high wind.
I think that just earlier on it wasn't that windy, but if it's really windy, I wouldn't know how it performs. I was still think that for its weight, like 249 grams, it probably wouldn't do that well in very, very windy area.
But just now was fairly windy, not too windy, but it works well.
So it was ideal for the drone to perform.
So all in all, would you recommend this drone?
Yeah, definitely. But for the price of 299 USD, right? Yeah, I think it's quite a good deal. You can easily bring this overseas. Yeah, and use it to take beautiful shots of you and your partner in nice scenic places. Okay. Yeah, I look forward to using it.
Okay. Yeah, that's it. If you like what we are doing, please give us a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this where we review amazing and yet affordable product from China, please subscribe. Until next time, this is Daniel and this is Goodbye.